Since November, Rockford officers have been provided with cell phones with remedies on speed dial to victims they encounter on a nightly basis, and the early returns indicate the program is helping.
This past year in our Women's Crisis Center, we've had 570 women and children come in, and over 40% of those are giving domestic violence and relationship conflicts as their main reason for homelessness.
The numbers are staggering. In fact, Rockford Police reports 30% of the city's violent crimes is domestic related, but the most tragic number may be 4.
City, prior to this year, we went for about a year and a half without having a domestic related homicide. Unfortunately, this year we've had 4.
To prevent that number from getting higher, police teamed up earlier this year with Remedies Renewing Lives, a nonprofit that helps victims of domestic violence by participating in the Lethality Assessment Program. First responders armed with these 11 questions for the victims and these cell phones to immediately call Remedies. Remedies Vice President of Operations, Karen Gill, says the agency handles on average 160 calls a month. Many of the calls come from victims Gill says they haven't seen before.
More male victims, more people from different areas of the nation, more people from outside of the United States that are residing in our community, that are being victimized and probably are being told that there's nothing available for them.
But one of the biggest lines of defense for domestic violence victims is loved ones taking action and calling police before it's too late.
It's not a private issue, it's not a family matter, so if you know someone, or a family member, a friend, a neighbor who's being abused, don't hesitate to call the police or call someone who can help.
Remedies has a hotline available to domestic violence victims 24/7. That number is 815-962-6102, and it will also be posted to mystateline.com.
All right, that's good to know. Thanks, Brittany.